Difference between Unicode fraction slash and division slash. What is the difference between U plus 2044, fraction slash, and U plus 2215, division slash? They seem nearly identical to me, but there's still clearly a difference, but I can't tell exactly what it is. Does anyone know?
The difference between the two is semantic. Division slash is in the mathematical operators block. It is intended to be used when representing the mathematical division operator, for example in mathematical formulas. Use it when you might say, out loud, 1 divided by 2 or x divided by y. It is also intended to be used in large fractions in mathematical contexts where the separator is horizontal. Fraction slash is in the general punctuation block. It is intended to be used when representing a fraction. Use it when you might say, out loud, 1/2. You might use it in non-mathematical contexts, for example half cup of olive oil. In mathematical contexts, it is intended to be used for fractions where the separator is skewed. Hypothetically, having a difference between the two allows for the possibility of correct formatting for different situations. For example, 1 fraction slash 2 could be rendered with a superscript 1 and a subscript 2 as half. In practice this generally doesn't seem to be the case, but that capability was the original intent. From section 2.1 of Unicode Technical Note 28. The fraction slash u plus 2044 builds up to a skewed fraction. The division slash u plus 2215 builds up to a potentially large linear fraction. Here is a test, using Solidus, u plus 002f, division slash, u plus 2215, and fraction slash, u plus 2044, in order. The following character sequences aren't necessarily semantically appropriate, the intent is only to illustrate rendering. Superscript plus subscript, half 1 slash 2 and a half. Normal, half 1 slash 2 and a half. Depending on your browser and font you may or may not see a difference in rendering above. On my system, division slash and fraction slash render identically, although differently from Solidus. They have a narrower spacing than Solidus and look better with the superscript slash subscript numbers. For example, a comparison of the rendering in Chrome versus Internet Explorer, Edge is shown below. The advice I would give to you is this: if you are representing data and wish to be semantically accurate, use division slash and fraction slash appropriately. However, if you are typesetting and the rendering of either is giving you problems, or in casual communication, or in the presence of general doubt, just use Solidus, the / on your keyboard, instead. Also, if you are typesetting complex mathematical formulas, you may wish to consider using TeX or another dedicated typesetting system. Further reading. This URL. And don't worry, I can't actually type this fast. I already typed up an answer waiting for you to ask this.
If you want to support this channel, please consider subscribing.